So guys, for the first step, you want to go to search and type in CMD. Now you want to run it as administrator. And then click on yes. And now once you're on this, you want to type in power cfg space -h space off. And then click on enter. And now you want to type in chkdsk space. And now the drive that you want to shrink. For me, I'm going to shrink my C drive. So I'm going to type in C:. If you want to shrink a different drive like your D drive, then type in D:. And then you want to put a space /F space /R space /X and then click on enter. Now a scan might just start running for you automatically. If it does, once you complete that scan, you want to restart your computer and this should not fix your problem. However, if it says for you this to type in Y or N, you want to type in Y, which means yes, and then click on enter. And now you want to restart your computer, but keep on watching the video. Restart your computer, keep on watching. It's now going to be saying to skip this checking, press any key. Do not press any key. You do not want to press any key. Let all the seconds load in, and it's now going to start running the scan. Once you complete the scan, it will take you back into Windows, and then the problem should be fixed.